2 minutes of information, entertainment, and events in Atlanta and beyond. This is the Daily 2.
Hi, I'm Shannon Walsh with the Daily 2. We're here today with Jackie Polisi, family safety advocate from Montlick and Associates, and guest Jenny Hardy. A warm welcome to you both.
Thank you.
Jackie, your firm has always been such a strong advocate for kids' safety here in Georgia.
Thank you, Shannon. We're here today to talk about booster seats, and we've invited Atlanta mom Jenny Hardy to join us because her story is such an incredibly compelling one.
Jenny, tell us what happened.
Our family was involved in a violent, horrific car crash when my daughters were 5 and 6 years old. We were traveling on a quiet rural road in South Georgia, and our van was hit by an SUV who swerved to avoid a logging truck that ran a stop sign. The impact was so severe that the entire left-hand side of our van was sheared off. We spun around and landed in a deep ravine. Madison, my 5-year-old, took the brunt of the impact. She sustained serious injuries, but she survived the crash. Doctors, EMTs, firemen, police all confirmed that the $20 booster seat she was riding in saved her life.
Wow, that is an amazing story.
When it comes to car crashes, there are no mulligans, no second chances. Every passenger must start every trip, every time buckled up in a car seat or in a booster seat in order to be given a fighting chance to survive a crash.
We couldn't agree more. Parents, the message here is pretty clear. Booster seats do save lives. Thank you, Jenny Hardy, for being such a strong advocate and role model for parents and for sharing your story with us here today.
And thank you, Montlick and Associates, for your ongoing commitment to keep kids safe. I'm Shannon Walsh with the Daily 2.
For more information and to get more of the Daily 2, log on to WSBTV.com/Daily 2.